just had a crash on runway 23 here. We've got it. The aircraft is upside down and burning.
A Delta regional jet landed at Canada's Toronto Pearson Airport and then flipped upside down on the snow-covered tarmac. What followed was chaos. Passengers were seen jumping out of the plane. Air hostesses reminded passengers to leave everything behind and exit the aircraft.
Everything, drop it! Come on!
Air hostesses were also heard telling passengers to leave the plane instead of shooting videos. There were 80 people on board, including the crew. At least 18 people are injured, 3 of them said to be critical. The CRJ-900 aircraft was operated by Delta's Endeavour Air subsidiary. The aircraft reportedly landed in the midst of gusty winds after a snowstorm. The cause of the incident is under investigation.
The cause of the crash is still under investigation and being led by the Transportation Safety Board. It's not appropriate for us to comment at this time. At this time, we believe all our emergency response went as planned. We will, however, be conducting a review. This is an active investigation. It's very early on. It's really important that we do not speculate.
One passenger told a TV station that there was no indication of anything unusual before landing. The passenger also said the aircraft hit the ground, went sideways, and then flipped upside down.
We're in Toronto. We just landed. Our plane crashed. It's upside down. Fire department's on site. Upside down. Everybody, most people appear to be okay. We're all getting off. Some stuff going on.
Another passenger said that they were frightened and then they found themselves hanging like bats. The Toronto airport was shut for arrivals and departures for more than 2 hours after the incident. This is the latest in a string of crashes that have worried air travelers. For more such videos, keep watching SNG News and make sure you subscribe, like and share these videos.